The first Honor smartphone with a retractable camera received announcement date. The retractable front camera of the smartphone is one of the trends that replaced the cutouts in the display. The Honor brand published the date of the announcement of its first device with a new type of selfie module. As it turned out, the release of Honor 9X will take place already this month. Welcome to Science and Knowledge. My name is Shahbaz Ali. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for our future videos. According to a published advertising banner, the novelty will be presented in China on July 23. Although the teaser does not reveal any specifications, according to rumors, the Honor 9X will receive an 8-core Kirin 710 processor and 6GB of RAM. It is expected that simultaneously with the basic version of the smartphone, the manufacturer will release a modification of Honor 9X Pro based on the Kirin 810 mobile platform. The chip contains 8 processing cores. There are 2 ARM Cortex-A76 cores with a clock frequency up to 2.27 GHz and 6 ARM Cortex-A55 cores with a clock frequency of up to 1.88 GHz. For graphics processing is responsible ARM Mali G52 MP6 GPU controller implemented special tools to improve performance in games. The novelty, if you believe the available information, will be equipped with a sliding front camera based on a 20 megapixel sensor. The triple main camera in the configuration of 24 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 2 megapixels will be located in the back of the case. The screen size is supposed to be 6.5 and 6.7 inches diagonally. Power will provide by a battery capacity of 3750 mAh. It is about the support of 10-watt charging by the way. Almost simultaneously with the announcement of the device, Indian insider Mikul Sharma published an unofficial render of the gadget. According to IDC forecasts, this year around 1.38 billion smartphones will be sold worldwide. If these expectations are met, the supply will be reduced by 1.9% compared with the last year. According to early leaks, the expected price of Honor 9X at the start of sales will be about $203 US. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge or visit our website targetyoutube.com. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.